If, like me, sometimes you like to capture your entire day using the Ray-Ban Metas, the one thing that can be really frustrating is the battery life. If the battery life starts running low when you're in the middle of filming, it can be really annoying to say the least. So if you want to shoot video all day, hands-free, without having to remove these to recharge, then what if I told you there was a simple clip-on accessory that you can use with these glasses that will turn them into an all-day wearable camera. And this tiny accessory might just change how you use these glasses. Right now, Meta glasses, especially these new Gen 2s, do a decent job. And typical use for the average user, using bits and pieces of all the features on and off throughout the day, you can get around 8 hours use. But as any content creator knows, if you're using these to film a lot of video, play music, do podcasts, and you're taking advantage of all the AI features, well, that drains the battery a lot faster. And this means you often end up ripping the glasses off, popping them into the charging case and waiting, and then losing momentum. And this is where Prism XR and their accessory, the Karina C1, come in. The Karina C1 is basically a small battery pack and adapter that clips onto the battery arm of your Ray-Ban Metas. It's designed so you can either snap on a swappable battery pack for extra on-the-go power, or use a magnetic cable to feed continuous power. And you can do this from a power bank. And this will keep your glasses alive no matter how long you're shooting. When you first open the box, the setup does look a bit fiddly with fragile wires and delicate components, but in the box you get all the tools you need to attach this to your Ray-Bans. And there's instructions and an easy to follow tutorial on YouTube that helps you with the setup. And there is a reason for the delicate components, because once it's all assembled, this means that there's no awkward dangling cables or bulky add-ons. And if you take your time, the setup is actually quite straightforward. And this is a big deal for people like me and for creators that want the ability to have continuous capture. So if you think about these scenarios with these glasses, you're shooting POV video all day. You could be hiking, traveling, doing a build project. Rather than being limited to just a few hours or having to stop and then recharge halfway, this tiny gadget means that you can just keep on going. You could be doing a full day event, long streams, or just shooting loads of different clips. The extra power makes the difference between capturing all of those shots that you intended to get and finishing on a high, or making compromises and having to cut things out because the battery didn't last. And sometimes you just don't want to use your charge case midway through the day. And of course, most people are using these as sunglasses when they're outside, so if the battery runs out, you not only use your ability to carry on filming, but you also lose your sunglasses while you're charging them. And case-based charging works, but it means taking them off and you just lose your flow. And this battery with the Karina C1 just removes that friction. For creators, the battery is the Achilles heel for any recording device, including smart glasses. And this extra external power gives you freedom not just for a few clips, but for a full day, long form, hands-free content. So with regards to the setup for these, this set comes with 2 batteries and they magnetically connect to the arm of the glasses, and each additional battery pack gives roughly 2 hours of extra runtime. The charging case is really compact, so it's convenient to store the spare battery in you're not using, and the case charges via the included USB-C cable. If you wanted to find a downside, then I suppose the battery adds more weight, but it is seriously so light that you don't even notice it. It does add more bulk though. It's impossible not to, as the magnetic adapter is on a sleeve which clips over the glasses arm. So it does make it slightly bigger, but it's designed really well, and overall the glasses still retain their sleek finish. Of course, with any battery-based product, you need to trust the build quality and the battery safety. Prism XR claims their design is tested fully, and it's a brand that has been around for a few years, and they've produced a number of successful accessories for the VR market. If you use your Meta Ray-Ban glasses for more than an hour or 2 of video or heavy use per day, then this clip-on accessory will make a lot of sense. It addresses one of the real-world pain points, and that's battery life, and that annoying interrupts that comes with having to recharge your glasses. If you want to grab more usable hours with your glasses and shoot more uninterrupted, hands-free, point-of-view content, then this is one of the smartest upgrades that I've seen so far for the Meta Ray-Bans. I've left a link below, and if you want more tips for the Meta Ray-Bans and you can watch this video next, then I'll see you over there.